Hello dear fans. How to determine the radius of the core. In the structure of the planet Earth, a core, mantle and crust are distinguished. The core is the central part located farthest from the surface. The mantle is located under the crust and above the core. Finally, the crust is the outer solid shell of the planet. Instructions. Step 1. One of the first to suggest the existence of a nucleus was the British chemist and physicist Henry Cavendish in the 18th century. He managed to calculate the mass and average density of the Earth. He compared the density of the Earth to the density of rocks on the surface. The areal density was found to be well below average. Step 2. German seismologist E. Wiechert proved the existence of the Earth's core in 1897. American geophysicist B. Gutenberg in 1910 determined the depth of the core, 2,900 kilometers. According to scientists, the core consists of an alloy of iron, nickel and other elements with an affinity for iron, gold, carbon, cobalt, germanium and others. Step 3. The average radius of the core is 3,500 kilometers. In addition, a solid inner core with a radius of about 1,300 kilometers and a liquid outer one with a radius of about 2,200 kilometers are distinguished in the structure of the Earth's core. In the center of the core, the temperature reaches 5,000 degrees Celsius. The mass of the kernel is estimated at almost 2 by 10 carat 24 kilograms. Step 4. An analogy can be drawn between the structure of the planets and the structure of the atom. The central part, the nucleus, is also distinguished in the atom, and the bulk is concentrated in the nucleus. The sizes of atomic nuclei are several femtometers, from Latin femto 15. The prefix femto means multiplying by 10 to the minus 15th power. Thus, the nucleus of an atom is 10,000 times smaller than the atom itself, and 10 to the power of 21 times smaller than the size of the Earth's core. Step 5. To estimate the radius of the planet, indirect geochemical and geophysical methods are used. In the case of the atom, an analysis of the decay of heavy nuclei is carried out, taking into account not so much the geometric radius as the radius of action of nuclear forces. The idea of the planetary structure of the atom was put forward by Rutherford. The dependence of the nuclear mass on the radius is not linear. Thanks for watching.